On screen, the actress looks so beautiful, but now I know it's all about editing and everything.
Can you share your story, like how it started?
It started when I ran away from my home 5 years before. मतलब मेरे लिए पैसा उतना important है जितना मेरे लिए लाइफ में कुछ भी important नहीं है.
What does styling really mean to you beyond clothes?
It's your personality actually.
Confidence अगर हो person में तो can a person be stylish?
No, you can look bad and you can be confident enough. Like I've styled Shreya Kajra, right? I know she is bold. I've designed red for her. हर कपड़ा हर किसी को सूट नहीं होता है. ये myth है कि आप कुछ भी पहनो अच्छा लगेगा. No.
One advice for women watching this.
किचन से प्लीज बाहर निकलो. मेहनत करने से सब होता है.
To spin the roulette and जो भी task इसमें आएगा, so there's a twist, then I'll throw a question on that. Hi Glow fam, welcome to Skin Coffee with Ghazal, where we don't just talk beauty, we understand it. Today's episode is a little different. We are not just talking about styling your body, but also how you show up as a person. Let me ask you something. Are you dressing well or are you feeling right? Because you can wear the best outfit, but if your energy doesn't match it, it never feels complete. So today we are not styling the body, we are styling the soul. And for that, I have someone who is a stylist, an artist, and someone who explores life in a very unique way. As a cosmic traveler, Pratika Shah. Hi Pratika.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, fine.
Pratika, before we dive into our today's topic, let's take a pause. And let's explore your personal side. So who was Pratika before styling? And you're a creator, right?
Yeah.
Cosmic traveler too.
Actually, I was just a random person walking around streets and looking at the stores and everything. Just I want to be in business. Just I want to earn money. मतलब मेरे लिए पैसा उतना इम्पोर्टेंट है जितना मेरे लिए लाइफ में कुछ भी इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. राइट तो मुझे बस पैसा कमाना था. अब वो कोई भी रीज़न से या कैसे भी मैं कमाना चाहती हूँ बस.
तो स्टाइलिंग मतलब हाउ इट केम इनटू योर माइंड?
जब भी मैं शादी में या किसी में जाती थी तो पीपल वर लाइक ओ माय गॉड तेरी ड्रेस अच्छी लग रही है. ये तो तुम मुझे बताएगी मतलब कि क्या पहनना है क्या नहीं पहनना है. एंड आई वाज लाइक ओके. तो धीरे धीरे करके मैं लोगों को बताने लगी कि आप पे क्या अच्छा लगेगा क्या नहीं अच्छा लगेगा. फिर मैंने एक्चुअली इंदौर में past 7 years I started a store with my clothes, right?
Oh, wow.
I rented that outfits and that was in business, that was in profit. So I loved that.
वो दिख रहा है Pratika because you are wearing a simple the suit and you had accessorized it with a brush.
Yeah.
So it actually enhanced that. It's a styling.
Yeah.
So it makes a lot of difference. So do you style outfits on a regular basis?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
And I do it for myself. I own a store also.
So when did you first realize that you had started seeing things differently, like clothes, people, your styling?
When I came to Mumbai after that.
Okay. So can you share your story, like how it started? कैसे start हुआ ये?
It started when I ran away from my home 5 years before. So I started here in Mumbai itself, looking at the people. They are very gorgeous. On screen, the actress looks so beautiful. But now I know, no, it's all about editing and everything.
So how do you choose between textures? Like how do you play with it?
I go through Pinterest also. I have my designers also that design for me. Then I see creatures or something, like I see leaf or I see a lion, then I get a lion print, something like that.
So as a stylist or artist, कभी ऐसा हुआ है that you have to question your own style? You have to question your own vision?
Yes, sometimes I'm overdressed.
Okay.
And sometimes I'm like, oh my God, what I've done this.
Okay. And how do you handle it?
I just see and it's okay. Mistake happens.
So now coming to what you do, what does styling really mean to you beyond clothes?
It's your personality actually.
Okay.
You feel good when you dress properly. जब मैंने enter किया right here in the podcast and we were like oh my god ये अच्छी दिखती है. और I think so कि किसी एक के मन में ये ज़रूर आया होगा. ठीक है तो वो मुझे अपने आप को मिरर में देख के ये फील होना चाहिए. अच्छी दिख रही है यार.
So it is about confidence, how you carry, how you walk into the room.
Yes.
So why do some people look effortlessly stylish and some struggle. काफी लोगों को काफी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है to be that way.
It depends upon the personality, I think so. The dress you are wearing, I don't think so I'll wear and carry it so properly. And the dress I am wearing, I don't think so you will carry it properly. So depends upon the choices and everything. I think I'm not comfortable in that dress and you are comfortable in that dress. So depends.
मतलब पर्सन को पता होना चाहिए कि वो क्या चूज कर रहा है, क्या स्टाइल कर रहा है, बिकॉज देयर आर लॉट ऑफ ट्रेंड्स अवेलेबल ऑनलाइन एंड इफ यू कॉपी दोज ट्रेंड्स यू विल copy the style which someone else is carrying.
Then you are not a designer.
Yeah, but then when you know about yourself, then you can choose your own colors, you can carry your own style.
Yes.
And then that becomes memorable.
Yes.
Top 3 styling mistakes you see that people make regularly.
Shoes.
Okay.
Hairs. Hair is the main character.
Okay.
And the lip shade.
The lip shade.
Yeah.
Okay. So if someone has a limited wardrobe, don't have
You can
enough.
mix the colors.
So how they can, mix and match?
Okay, you can just use the lip gloss and you can look beautiful, right? You can use the blush on your eyes as an eyeshadow also.
Yeah.
You can use it on your lips also.
Yeah.
That's fine.
But when I talk about limited wardrobe, like that is about your clothes.
yeah,
Then how it will make you look stylish?
like a socks. You can wear it in your legs, right?
Yeah.
In your feet, and you can design it in your arm also.
Okay.
You can.
So it means अगर आपने छोटी ड्रेस पहनी है तो you can pair it up with something fancy socks or maybe gloves, and it makes your dress looks wow, nice. And if someone who is having a ethnic wear, and that person also looks stylish क्योंकि वो western outfit नहीं पहन सकता है, तो how you will style that person?
You can wear a skirt above this and style it with a belt.
Oh yeah,
with the
I did
boots.
that also.
Yeah.
Yeah. So even you can make your lehenga, your skirt, and you can put it with a
belt.
You style it with a belt.
Yeah.
Okay, amazing. And as someone who is not allowed to even wear traditional, this Indo-Western, and always have to wear saris, a lot of females, then how they can carry that style, like sari style?
With sari, I think so. You can do it with skirt or something. You can make a sari a skirt. That's all. You can't make a sari a blouse. I don't think so. No.
No, but if someone only has to wear sari, then what advice would you give to them? How to style it?
The blouse design.
Yeah.
You can customize a sari into a skirt, a lehenga, and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But they cannot customize it. They have to carry sari only.
Okay, they have to carry sari. Oh my god. Then I don't think so. They can.
I think they can accessorize with a belt. That is what I feel.
Yeah, but
They can use the brush which you are wearing.
Yeah.
They can pair with that to make them look stylish.
That will
आजकल वो जो आते हैं ना where you can pull that जो आपका pin up यहाँ पे करते हो, तो you can take that knot inside it and then you can you can make it stylish.
Okay, depends.
Yeah.
I won't ever try that.
Okay, so how can a woman find her personal style without copying trends? Do you think what we wear impacts how we feel?
Oh, you can look into the mirror what is suiting you, right? The basic thing. You can change your hairstyles. See, a person keep a same hairstyle like a man, right? He never changes his hairstyle. You need to change yourself with time. I think so.
So can styling change confidence or confidence comes first?
Style can change your confidence.
Okay.
Yes.
So only if confidence agar ho person mein, to can a person be stylish?
No.
Okay. So what can be paired with the confidence?
I think you can look bad and you can be confident enough, and that is also important.
It means if you don't style yourself, you just carry that confidence, like how you walk, then it is a style.
Yeah.
I want to understand this side of yours. You call yourself a cosmic traveler. What does that mean in your world?
I love nature. I love seeing people. I love their dressing sense. I love everything I watch around. Like, see, when I entered the room, I have seen you. You're wearing a ring. That's really good. And everything I notice. Right? So when I travel, I look at their different dressing styles.
Okay.
So that I took upon me that what it will suit me or not. right?
Okay.
I love.
So where all you have traveled? Because I've seen your profile. You have traveled to multiple places.
Yes,
So do you copy the styling and all?
yes.
Okay.
This I got from Paris, and this is really beautiful. I got it approx 25K from the street of Paris, right?
Okay.
And I went to France, Mykonos, Santorini, everywhere in Europe,
Okay.
and Thailand. I love the bikinis there. So different styles, different places.
When did this awareness or curiosity started for you कि मुझे यही करना है?
2 year approx.
Okay.
Past 2 years.
So it was your imagination, your consciousness.
Imagination.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because as a cosmic traveler, you keep on imagining
Yes.
things. So do you feel that everyone has the ability कोई अपने आप को स्टाइल कर सकता है? क्या सब में ये ability है कि if a person is very simple, can they transform themselves? Can they
Yes.
style themselves?
Yes, they can. But
Okay.
they need a good stylist, or they need to be more cautious and everything.
Okay. Do you feel your inner state reflects in how we look?
Yes, if I'm not
How?
looking good, I'll see the people are looking at me, how I'm looking, and everything. So the inner state matters if you're not looking good.
Of course, if you are not feeling happy, तो you cannot style
When you look
yourself.
good, na, you feel happy.
Okay.
Like we girls, we watch in the
Yeah.
mirror. Oh my God, यार मैं कितनी अच्छी दिख रही हूँ.
Yeah.
तो वो दिल से आता है फिर.
So let's do some fun segment,
Okay.
right? I'm going to give you some different people and different life situations, and I want you to style them. Not just clothes, but their entire vibe.
Okay.
Like what they will wear, what will be their vibe, and what color will define them. So women starting a new phase in life.
I think white.
Right.
Yeah.
Why?
Peace.
Okay.
It gives happiness, the calmness and everything.
Okay. Okay. मतलब it still feel fresh, but it's
Free.
grounded.
Yeah.
It's grounded. Someone low on confidence.
They should wear blue.
Blue.
Yeah, the sky
The
and
sky.
everything.
So blue color will enhance your confidence.
I think so because the sky, it's full of different elements, right?
Okay.
So you need to grow and कोई भी बोलता है यार मुझे उतना ऊंचा जाना है, right? So I think sky,
So sky
is an
has no
option.
limits.
It has no limits.
That's interesting.
Thank you.
You didn't go too loud. A woman stepping into power.
Black. Black is bold. Black
Okay.
is wow.
Someone who feels completely lost in life.
White, same.
Right.
So I think if he or she is lost,
Huh.
he or she needs peace and everything, same.
You even do styling for your clients.
Yes.
So you do consultation for that, or how do
No,
you
I do
that?
have my team
Okay.
for that. I don't visit my stores.
So आपको like when someone walks into your store,
Yeah.
or they walk into your store and then you style
Yes.
them, right? So when someone walks into your store, so what is the first thing you see that ये मतलब you style them as per their personality, yeah, as per
as
the energy they carry, the vibe. What do you see them in?
See,
And then-
actually I've styled many influencers also.
Acha.
Right? I don't visit my stores, so personal clients and that. But when I style some influencers or something, I visit their profile. I see what they love wearing. Like I've styled Shreya Kara, right? The recent look of her song launch. Red color dress. I know she's bold. She's full of energy. So I've designed red for her.
Okay, but don't you think कि रोल क्या है उस पर भी डिपेंड करता है ना?
Yes.
If अगर वो ऑलरेडी बोल्ड परफॉर्मेंस कर रही है तो यू हैव टू गिव हर समथिंग which looks bold on her.
Yes.
Yeah, so both comes in the picture. But अगर कोई जनरल क्लाइंट आपके स्टोर में वॉक इन करता है तो आप क्या देख के उसको स्टाइलिंग सजेस्ट करते हो? What are your parameters?
Depends upon the shade of her skin. I really see that.
Okay.
When if you're dark in color, you can't go for darker colors, right? हर कपड़ा हर किसी को सूट नहीं होता है. ये myth है कि आप कुछ भी पहनो अच्छा लगेगा. No, you can't do that.
So you even suggest them, like you even accessorize them, or only it's about styling your clothes?
Styling my clothes.
So can you give few styling techniques? अगर if I have 5 different sarees at home and if I want to style them and I want to use them in such a way, so how can I use them?
Five ways of styling a sari,
Yeah.
right? You can make a Gujarati pallu, a Seedha pallu, right? And you can add safety pins, right, in the pallu, bottom of that will create a good texture. If you are a baddie, you can add belts, okay, and then you can wear a blouse above your sari, right? That will also look good. That's all.
So if someone is having sari and they don't want to wear it, but they are kept like that, it's not in use since long. Up now, if they want to use that saris because they don't want to spend on heavy, buying expensive clothes, how they can use those saris to make something?
Depends upon the sari. If it's a soft sari,
Yeah.
you can design a suit with that.
Okay.
If it's a louder sari or with a Banarsi sari or something, you can design a corset or a lehenga,
Okay.
whatever you want.
Okay. Any styling tip which you want to give it to the listener so that they can start tomorrow?
Whenever you go out, check your shoes properly. Life में सबसे ज़्यादा चीज़ें comfortable होती हैं shoes से. When you can't walk properly, you can't walk properly in this world.
Okay.
No, I don't think so. You can walk.
So Pratika, it was wonderful talking to you. And before we end this session, we'll do some fun segment.
Okay.
We'll play one game which that is ingredient roulette, and we'll start that game.
Okay.
Okay. So Pratika, we'll play our ingredient roulette game, and you have to. It's very simple. You have to spin the roulette, and जो भी task इसमें आएगा, so there's a twist. Then I'll throw a question on that. Shall we start?
Then
So it's a glow shocker. Okay, so I'll give you one ingredient, hyaluronic acid.
hyaluronic acid.
Pratika, if I say this gives glow, so do you believe in it, or you'll question it?
I'll question it.
What question?
I don't know what it does.
So, but hyaluronic does not create glow. So it's good that you have questioned it.
Okay, nice.
So now you can again spin the roulette. So now it's a price guess. So can you guess the price of collagen in skincare?
It's good.
Price. You have to guess the price.
Price. I don't know about it. The
You have to guess it.
The skincare approx.
कोलाजन का प्राइस है स्किन केयर में.
So depend करता है सारे skincare. It's like 7,000 to 8,000.
No, only कोलाजन का प्राइस.
Okay. 500.
Not all skincare.
500.
500 for collagen.
I don't know.
You'll never get collagen for 500.
Okay.
It is like you get collagen for, it's costly.
2,000, 3,000.
Yeah, 2,000,
Okay.
3,000.
Yeah.
See, now again you have to spin the roulette. You have to do it for 5 times.
Okay.
Now you've got a red flag skincare.
Oh.
If a product promises instant transformation,
No.
is it a red flag?
It's a red flag. Yes.
Okay. So how do you know कि ये instant transformation नहीं है? क्या parameters हैं?
ऐसा कोई भी प्रोडक्ट से रातों रात मैजिक कहीं नहीं होता है. तो नहीं हो ही नहीं सकता.
So जो listeners सुन रहे हैं और कोई ऐसा प्रोडक्ट आता है जो बोलेगा कि instant transformation, they shouldn't buy it.
आई थिंक इंस्टाग्राम पे बहुत सारे ऐसे प्रोडक्ट चल रहे हैं. स्किन केयर पे सोप लगाते हैं एंड देन दे वॉश इट. ओ माय गॉड, काले से गोरे हो गए. नहीं, कहीं नहीं होता ये.
ये नहीं.
नहीं.
Now you have to again spin it. Spin it twice. Finish the sentence. Style to me is not about clothes. It's about.
It's about the energy.
Wow.
You walk into the
Yeah,
room.
right. It's
Yeah.
about energy.
Yeah.
अगर energy अच्छी नहीं होगी तो even if you're styling good, you
Yeah.
automatically your confidence level will drop.
Obviously.
Yeah. Again, you have to spin. Finally, we have a rapid fire.
Okay.
So one word for style.
Confidence.
Comfort or statement.
Statement.
Minimal or bold.
Bold.
One rule you follow.
Wash my face before I sleep.
One rule you break.
Sleep without night suit. When in a normal clothes, I can sleep. It's okay. No need to change.
Intuition or planning.
Planning.
Something people fake a lot today.
The fake world, the smile when they talk.
One thing you are still learning.
To know people. Yeah.
Okay. You're a cosmic traveler.
Yeah.
Now you're
I'm learning.
exploring the other side
Yes.
of it. One advice for women watching this.
मेहनत करने से सब होता है, जैसे जाकिर खान ने कहा था, उसने भी किया था, हो जाएगा, हमने भी करा है, हुआ है, तुम भी करो, हो जाएगा. किचन से प्लीज बाहर निकलो.
So Pratika, before we end, I have a small token of love for you.
Oh.
And you were super amazing. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.
So this is from Leafobody. I have formulated these products and this is my baby brand.
Oh,
So just use this and let me know.
Done. Thank you. Thanks
And
a
we
lot.
have one more for you. A beautiful piece for a beautiful lady.
Thank you.
As you love styling, so Fish ने भी आज styling कर रखी है.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you, Pratika.
Thank you.
So, Glow fam, today's conversation was not about styling. It was about understanding that what we wear is just one part of who we are. Maybe it's time we stop trying to look perfect and start feeling aligned. And to everyone watching, if this conversation resonated with you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Glow with Ghazal. Until next time, stay real, stay aware and keep glowing.